Good morning, class. Welcome to BPSC Learning again. I am your English teacher Madhulika Devati class. As we have completed explanation, first page of explanation of chapter number 6. Now I will explain chapter number 6, page number 72. As you know, this is the story of three boys, Danny, Robinson, and Nikhil. Danny and Robinson are English brother, means they belong to England, but they are living in India because their father is working in a Indian company in Bangalore, and Nikhil belongs to Bombay, and they study in a boarding school in hill station side. Now this is the time of their summer vacation, and they are living together, and they decided for a journey by bicycle from Bangalore to Missouri. So I will explain it. Listen it carefully, class. Yes. It's sharp. It's sharp. He said, watching the shaving come off just like your wit. Robinson returned with the map. The boys spread it on the table and studied it. We start here in the cantonment of Bangalore, said Danny. Where is Smigd Nikhil? Means Danny is playing with his penknife and sharpening it. And then Robinson said that it is sharp enough. It is as sharp as like your wit, means your intelligent. Watching the shaving come up, shaving means the slice of pen when he started cutting it. Means जैसे आप लोग पेंसिल को sharp करते हो ना, like this. Robin returned with the map. The boys spread it on the table and they started studied it. We start in the cantonment of Bangalore. Means they decided to start their journey from cantonment of the Bangalore. Cantonment means military area of the Bangalore, said Danny. Where is Smigd Nikhil? Nikhil said, and what is else? Okay, said Robin. We take the road out of the city and proceed along the Missouri road. It would be, we would be better leave early. The traffic will be bad later. Means we have to start our journey as soon as possible because the traffic will be bad later. Means we will get late, so there will be a traffic rush on the road, and we take the road out of the city and proceed along the Missouri road. It will be hotter too, added Danny. Hotter means too hot because it is time of summer. The boys pored over the map, making notes. 3 days was not long. They wanted to stay in Bandipur for at least one night, where they might catch sight of some wildlife, a tiger, a sloth bear, or the four-horned antelope that their geography teacher, Mrs. Gupta, had told them about. They decided to leave to spend a night in Bandipur to watch the wildful life of the Bandipur. As their geography teacher, Mrs. Gupta, had told about the wildlife of Bandipur. And 3 days was not sufficient time for them to watch all the beauty of Bandipur and Missouri. Bandipur too far in one day, means it is very long distance to cover from Bangalore to Bandipur. Exclaimed Danny. We will stop for the night in Missouri. Missouri, cried Nikhil. That's 140 kilometers away. Means from their house, the distance of Missouri was 140 kilometers away. Well, said Danny, we can do that easily. Danny said, we can cover it very easily. Yes, maybe, replied Nikhil. I had If I had my own bike here, I could cycle all the way to Ooty in one day. Nikhil is saying, if I had my motorbike, so he was able to cycle to cover all the way of Ooty in a day. Otherwise, it will be my sore back. Otherwise, it is very painful to cover or to cycle through a cycle to cover the distance from Bangalore to Mussoorie. Means it is very long distance to cover it by bicycle, and if they have motorbike, it will be easier to cover in a one day. Danny and Robinson Gulf. Ooty stopped Robin. We will be lucky to get as far as Mandya, and that's 100 kilometers away. Danny and Robin guffawed. Ooty spluttered Robin. We will be lucky to get as far as Mandya, and that's 100 kilometers away. Means we have to. Ooty is very long distance. If it will be very good to cover on 40 kilometers. That is Mandya. Although the boys were not much good at maths, they began a debate on time, speed, and distance. They were not very good in math, but they are discussing about time, speed, and distance of their journey. Little did they realize that in the heat of summer, a day seems much longer than 24 hours. Means 24 hours is very long time in a summer, in such a hot day, to cover a long distance. So class, it is enough for today. The next part I will explain tomorrow.